Hello and good day, Mike Adcock with an update on Tropical Low 4 located north of Western Australia. This brief is based on the 12 Zulu Bureau of Meteorology advisory package from the 27th of December. Take a look at satellite imagery here. Do see a better organized system. A lot of the convection though is displaced well to the southeast. That's where we're seeing the strongest wind gusts along the coast there. Current condition or current position right now about 460 kilometers northwest of Broome, or about 490 kilometers northwest of Derby. It continues to move off to the west-southwest at 8 kilometers per hour. Winds have increased right now 45 gusting to 85 kilometers per hour, and our pressure down to 997 hectopascal. This system not yet named, but if it does intensify a little bit further, which it's expected to do overnight and into the early part of Saturday, it would be named Christine. Take a look at the Dvorak analysis. Bureau of Meteorology right now calling with a 1.5. That's throttled a little bit from earlier, the 2.0. They're noting the lack of banding and the reanalysis of this center. Again, they are noting though this deeper convection displaced to the southeast along the coast. That's where the stronger winds are likely to reside. NESDIS going with a 1.0 finally. Now issuing Dvorak analyses, and that's based on a 2/10 of broken banding. JTWC still calling this too weak to classify. For your surface analysis from 6 Zulu, you do have your 997 hectopascal low, ridging off to the south. That's going to keep it over water over the next couple of days, and then by Monday it's going to be influenced toward this area of low pressure here in Western Australia. And you see that on the official Bureau of Meteorology forecast track. Slow intensification as it stays out over water because of the convection off to the southeast, and because the low is rather broad, expecting coastal gales to be an issue over portions of Western Australia on Saturday, and then further intensification before making landfall near the Pilbara coast on late Monday into Tuesday. And really what's precipitating a lot of this, you've got great outflow aloft. Temperatures, surface temperatures here still above 30-31 degrees Celsius, and shear is starting to relax quite a bit. Again, the thing we want to emphasize is because it's elongated and you do have that convection along the coast, storm surge and wind impacts is going to be a little bit more than what you normally expect with this system. So don't solely focus on the track here. Along the coast, you can and possibly will see impacts from this cyclone. Intensification is expected again prior to landfall late on Monday and into Tuesday, expecting the winds to be up to about 140 kilometers per hour, or about 75 knots, with higher gusts of course. Joint Typhoon Warning Center is now, or has now, issued a formation alert with this system. Right now looking at winds 45 to 55 kilometers per hour. Again, what they're noting is the favorable atmospheric conditions as well as a pressure drop over at Browse Island of about 4 hectopascal over the past 24 hours. Speaking of surface conditions, here are your weather plots. Not really seeing a whole lot. Fair conditions out here over land. Did see some showers rolling through around the coast, but most of those showers are staying off over the water. Not getting any reports beyond temperature and dew point from these two sensors out over water here. 1002.3 hectopascal and 1003.8 hectopascal respectively. Do want to take a look at the conditions over at Broome at 13 Zulu. Mostly cloudy skies. Did have some rain showers earlier in the hour. Trace accumulation though in rainfall over the past 12 hours. So not a lot is falling out there. Winds out of the south-southeast at 22 kilometers per hour. Of course, stay tuned to westernpacificweather.com. We're going to continue to monitor the progress of what will soon be Christine. You can also follow along on Twitter and Facebook and join in on the conversation at storm2k.org. Thank you all for tuning in. Have a great day and take care.